These anime characters are hiding secrets you probably missed. Fact 1. Chainsaw Man. Denji's personality was inspired by the creator's frustration with boring shonen protagonists. Fact 2. Boruto. Boruto's name means bolt, a tribute to his uncle Neji, which means screw. Emotional, right? Fact 3. Mob Psycho 100. Mob's powers are linked to emotions, but he rarely shows any. That's the whole point of his arc. We're dropping anime facts daily. Subscribe now so you don't miss the next surprise.